Here's a completely free website with several thousand sound effects that you can easily use as a content creator. The site is called Freesound, and users can simply upload their own sounds here, and then we can search through them, for example, by searching for whoosh. And then we can simply click through the sounds to see what we like. This one really sounds a bit roboty. But what about this one? Sounds good, I would say. But before you download the sound and simply use it in your content, I would recommend to check the license down here on the website. But the vast majority of sounds are really completely free, and you don't have to pay attention to anything. As this one, which is Creative Commons Zero, so absolutely not a problem. Really a very, very cool site. In fact, almost all of the sound effects that I use in my videos come from Freesound. For more tips and tricks around content creation, don't forget to follow me.